days. So I'm driving right now in our first big snowstorm. And of course, we got people, we're going 30 miles an hour, 31 in a 55 right now. If you can believe that. People suck, and if you can't drive on the snowy roads, then you should not be out driving on the snowy roads. Now we're going 27 in a 50. Gonna be a slow little drive, I guess. We are going extremely slow because, as usual, nobody can figure out how to make their car drive when the weather is a little bit bad. They are extremely afraid, and they're going to cause problems. But unfortunately, they are out here. But at least you guys get to see how awful these people are out here. And hopefully you guys don't do the same thing. This is Springfield, Ohio. This is the area with the worst drivers in the whole world, I think. Oh, at least they're turning. That's wonderful. Because they really had a hard time. We're really doing them. Really afraid. The old RAV4 though, the RAV4 hybrid just goes like no tomorrow. It's very confidence inspiring in the snow. Peaceful day out here. Hopefully we can get around without having any problems. Seems like as long as I don't get stuck behind horrible people like those ones, we should be safe and sound. It's hard to believe that those people are afraid to go any faster than 27 miles an hour on a straight road. these roads. It's so unfortunate. Luckily the Toyota is rust proof though, so it's not a big deal with this. Just so you guys know, this is on the original factory stock tires. I don't have snow tires. I don't have different tires that it came with. Just the originals. I do have 13,000 miles, so they're still like new, but they're not designed for snow, that's for sure. So, but the RAV4 is very, very good no matter what. I feel like these tires could be bald and this would still do fine because of the electronics, the traction control, and how heavy it is. It's a very good car. I love it so much. Thank you guys for watching.